welcome back. Here we are looking at SAND, and this one is up by 5.67% today. It is a nice rise, and we are happy to see it. We're talking about why, we're talking about where this is leaving us now, because you'll see in the past month, things are looking fairly okay. Clearly, we've been dropping since this initial high. We are hitting our bottom down here, and now we're seeing a bit of a bounce into today. We're asking the question if this can be sustained, and what this will mean going into the new week. So, of course, all just my opinion. It's not going to be financial advice, but if you do enjoy anything that you hear on this channel, make sure to, of course, leave a like and subscribe, because we don't only cover SAND. We're covering a lot of stocks, we're covering a lot of cryptos on a daily basis. We publish like 10 videos per day, so there surely is going to be something on this channel for you. But now we're going to dive in and we're going to have a quick look. We're going to start off over here on the 1 day, and the trend throughout the day is fairly simple to follow. We're seeing a morning start price on about 665, falling down to our low of the day, which was at this level around 580, bouncing off that level for a while, and you'll see pushing up then to hit our high, which was just above 720. So big rise clearly throughout the day, and it does actually count for a lot. And over the past 7, you will see we're rising up to those highs, which were just between the range of about 8 and 850. You'll see down here. We'll get a more specific price on this in a moment, but you'll see, yeah, we dropped from there. We came down to our low, and actually from that low, we are fortunately bouncing back up. And the question is this a bottom now, and are we going to start to see another rise? Because one thing that we are seeing on the trend, and this becomes a lot more clear on the trading view, because one thing that becomes clear, especially on the trading view chart, especially when we zoom out to here, you will see we're having these big rises up, bit of a cool off, big rise up, cool off, rise, and then a cool off. But the question is, are we going to see a push, and another push here? Or is this just going to be 1 day in the red, and then of course a day in the green, and we're going to continue to drop? Well, it's hard to say, of course, and it always is going to be hard to say. Now, this one has caught us off in the past, I must add that. So this big red wick coming out here to the downside is not necessarily anything to go off, because we are seeing that in the past before we have taken off on this trend. We're actually seeing this a few times. The first time that we've seen a big red wick is down here. You would kind of assume that that's going to push us downwards, but it actually did not do so. It did the opposite. We went up even higher. We saw it again here, a wick lower than the one of the previous day, and now we're seeing it again here. So this wick would usually indicate a potential downside coming. In this instance, I'm not too sure if that is still the case. Now, I am hoping that we are going to be able to break past this level that we are seeing today, which is just around the $7 mark, actually. You'll see this has worked as both a support and a resistance in the past. Back here on this small candle day, you'll see that is a support around 7. You'll see, obviously, over today and over yesterday, we're having a bit of a resistance at this level between about 699 and 701. So we're trying to break past that in the next couple of days, and that is something that's very easily achievable. And again, break past that, and then we're looking to break past the highs. Now, the highs are around 744, so of course it can be done. Yes, we are seeing higher wicks than that, but I'm talking about the bodies of the candles down here, because the body is ultimately where we have found the basis for the day. It's where we found our middle point, and again, break past that, consolidate above it, and I think we're in a great place. But I'm looking into Monday as a big day for this one. It is going to be quite an important day in my opinion. Push upwards even higher, and we're in a good position. Push downwards, and we're not necessarily doing too badly, because we are still up big. So if we were to drop even, lower than this point, it wouldn't be the biggest thing in the world, but ultimately I'm trying to see this one remain at those levels that I mentioned in this video. So you guys will know it's been a short one, but I do think we covered everything that we needed to. So thank you for watching this one. As always, I'm going to be back with you guys again at a similar time tomorrow, so do subscribe if you did enjoy it, and I will see you all again then. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further, we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks, including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes, and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.